We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there in the balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that I was Romeo, I was throwing pebbles, and your daddy said, stay away from Juliet. I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go, 'cause you belong to me.
You can see that I'm the one who understands. You've been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. Standing by and waiting at your back door all this time. How could you not know, baby? You belong with me. You belong